Hi and welcome to Ada's Anagram adventure. So in this video I'm gonna go through what to do in the exercise. So let's press start here. So this is the editor that you'll be using. There are two levels. Level 1, as we see, is anagram check, and then we have level 2, anagram generation. So in this video I will explain those two levels, what the idea is that you should do as a user. And then there will be another video where you can also watch how to solve it as an example in Python. But let's start with anagram check. This is level 1. So now I'm going to do some writing here. Okay, so here we have level 1. And you'll get two strings, string 1 and string 2. And the idea is to compare or see if you can convert string 1 into string 2 by just rearranging the letters. And we disregard all spaces and punctuations and things like that. So what does that mean? Well, if you can draw a line like this from astronomer to moonstarer, like A goes there, we have S in both, we have the T, we have R, we have an O, another O there, we have the N there, we have M here at the beginning. It's too many letters to see almost, but this was successful. I mean, I could draw a line, so there is exactly the same number of O's in both, for example. So it's possible to just rearrange them and create these words, disregarding spaces and punctuation. So this would be a test case where we should return true. Then there might be other test cases which are not anagrams like this. Then we should return false. And that is what level 1 is about. Then let's move on to level 2, which is anagram generation. And I should say that that one is a lot trickier also to do. So I'm going to do some writing here. So here we have an example for anagram generation. So we have one origin word or little sentence. So in this case, it's sandcastle. And we also get something. We get also a word list called words, which is a list of strings, which is around 1,000 words. So it's a very limited very limited word list that we can use. But from this origin, and again disregarding spaces, we should generate all possible anagrams from that limited word list. So in this case, which is also the first and static test case, so that's good for debugging, you will always get sandcastle, whereas the other test cases are randomized. And here, the correct solution would be this that we see here. It's first a class tend, then we have act and less, and then at class end. So as a user, you should return that as a list of strings. And in each string, you find the anagram. And the anagram consists of one or typically more words like this, which are valid anagrams like we just explained in level 1. So we rearrange the letters. One important note is that in this sentence, we need to sort the words in alphabetical order. So A, C, T here in A class tend. Act and less, then AC is before AN is before L. And again, at class end is also ACE. So they need to be sorted like that, all lowercase and with the space in between. And also, you need to make sure that between the words, they also need to be sorted in alphabetical order. So A class tend, that part, A space, comes before AC, comes before AT. So there is two sortings. One is the words within the anagram, and the other sorting is between the different anagrams, because they are corrected later with the list which is exactly sorted like I just described. So that sorting is important. Generating this is more tricky, like I said. You can also watch the solution suggestion video, how to do this in Python. But otherwise, that is that is what the two levels are about in Ada's Anagram Adventure. You can, of course, read much more about it here, also in the description to the left. Good luck with solving it.